got food at Flo's. I haven't got the Kajee burger without pickles. It's interesting, the lady said, how do you spell pickles, L-E or E-L?
I was like, what are you saying? I can't hear what you're saying.
Yeah.
I think that the kitchen won't understand. I just got the Cobb salad.
Okay.
Usually it's all scattered around, I guess since we had to get into go boxes, just kind of chucked it all in here.
Cool, and I'm going to get
Bacon.
something from Award Winners.
Yep.
Cool. Break. And as you can see, we're waiting for paint the night.
I didn't know what she originally asked me. She originally asked me to come to Olde. I didn't know her. I don't know really
love this.
It's a great parade, huh?
I love that parade. That's like my favorite.
It's a great parade, huh? It's just like,
I told you, it's so exciting.
yeah.
Okay, no, Cinderella blew a kiss to me and then I blew one back.
Oh, I think she's blowing it to.
No, Ariel
You
blew one
guys
to
are both
you.
wrong.
No,
They all love me.
Ariel blew one to you.
Plus, then the
Don't
people
lie.
behind us talking.
I know.
I was like, well.
People get here early.
And then that one car's guy broke down, need to go off and get
I
repairs.
felt so bad. I felt so bad for him. I think it was still kind of the
Yeah, it was. But I got a pretty good shot. I'll try to get another one in the future, but that was pretty good.
Why can't we do this again?
Yeah. Yay. Anyway, time for Fantasmic.
So tell me, what's become of my ship? Never stop believing in ghost stories, Miss Turner. You're in
camera again. It's virtually over right now. We just saw Fantasmic. Ivan's off to get some ice cream, even though he was cold earlier. He keeps saying he's gonna get ice cream every time, and he never does. And yep, that's where he's heading. Anyway, few thoughts about Fantasmic.
Something's missing.
Oh yeah, a lot of things are missing. Still a very fun show.
Yep.
But like when you see it as much as I do, or even if you've even seen it a few times, you'd notice some very glaring things.
Eagle-eyed neons, that's you.
Yeah. So the first thing I noticed was it was missing a boat for first kind of the Lion King / Jungle Book area where they'd have, you know, the monkeys on the boat. So we had 2 boats of monkeys, but no King Louis boat. So that was missing. And then because that boat was missing, when they had the 3 princess boats, they were missing the Little Mermaid. They had Belle and they had Rapunzel, but no Little Mermaid. Then finally during the finale sequence where the Mark Twain came out, there seemed to be characters missing on because the Toy Story characters would be in the back normally, but then they were on the side filling in for whoever else was missing. I couldn't figure out in the moment who it was, but someone was, at least someone, probably some people, yeah. And the dragon didn't breathe fire. Ivan and I both thought it might have been from when the parade float had caught on fire at Disney World.
For shame.
Disney World, right?
Yeah, during one of their parades, but it could just be that it's broken.
I thought it was a pretty good.
Yeah, it's still a fun show.
Yep.
It got
Yeah.
pretty cold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lie to you, the part where the pirates come out scared the bejesus.
I see. I was expecting it. I
I was not.
See, I had
So
already.
you can tell the people who have either not seen it or have seen it in a
The
while.
people behind me
We're
scared me
freaking
even
out,
more
and I'm
because
thinking,
they
I'm
screamed.
And I'm sorry,
So
I'm
that
thinking,
frightened
oops.
me.
Yeah. Because I knew it was coming, so I'd already started to pan to the pirate ship to get that shot. Oh yeah. Oh, one more thing. Speaking of the pirate ship, they weren't doing their acrobatics either.
Yes.
They weren't.
And I've seen that from
Usually the
afar.
character of Elizabeth
Yeah.
Swan's jumping and bouncing
Yeah,
around.
no,
like in
they're
the
up
Pirates.
there, and then at the end they drop the compass that they have. But this, it kind of just tossed it. It's like, oh, what are you doing? So I don't know if someone called out sick and all that stuff went down, or
See? And that's why you don't leave your team
yeah,
hanging dry.
yeah, trust on that.
By the
Anyway,
way, maybe this might be biased.
we went past ice cream, Ivan.
We're going to the restroom.
Oh yeah, that too. Well, yeah,
The ultimate water ride before we close.
Yes.
that is true. Okay, let's do that. But we'll check in from ice cream.
What'd you get?
Yeah, strawberry.
Strawberry streetcar sundae.
Nice. I wonder why streetcar as opposed to shortbread.
I don't know, probably because they had the streetcar out on Main Street.
Of course. All right then.
And then Julie, this is for you and ours.
Yeah, we
I
got a
got-
double
The
scoop,
cookie cream for me, and then the
mocha almond fudge.
Yeah, that's for you.
Woohoo!
This is really messy.
All right, let me take a step back. They're so big, I can't even see everybody.
Step outside.
All right.
Well, that's gonna do it for today. Ivan got his ice cream.
Woo!
Julie got her ice cream. I got my ice cream. Until next, waffle on.
Indeed.